Myself, Prudvinath. My teammates are A. Ravindra Reddy, M. Nagsai Tarun, and A. Praveen Kumar Reddy. This is the final output of our project. We developed an e-educational website named Study Zone. In this website, we have two modules: student module and admin module. In student module, uh, he able to log in. He can log in. He can register. He can give the feedback. He can contact the admin. He can see the courses. By clicking on login button, he can log in to the website. This is the form we developed by using Bootstrap. After logging to this site, it will be visible like this. After going to his my profile, he can see his ID, email, and name, occupation. He can change his information from here. He can see what are the courses he registered. He can watch the courses from here also. He can give the feedback from here. He can able to change the password. uh, he can log out from here also. And coming to the admin login, admin is the only person who is managing all the stuff in this website, like uploading the courses, daily student records, and cell report. All these things are managed by admin only. After login, the admin dashboard visible like this. He can see the courses, how many courses are viewed, how many students are attending the courses, or how many students are registered the courses, or how many courses are sold. All these report will be visible from here. By clicking on courses, he can see the courses and he can edit the courses or delete the courses. He can update the courses from here or here itself. By clicking on the lessons, by entering its course ID, he can see the course and he can edit. By clicking on the students, he can see the students who are registered in this site, and he can manage the students registrations. He can delete the students registrations, or he can edit the students registration. By clicking on the cell report, he can see the cell report, like the duration of the course. By clicking on the payment status, he can check the payment status by giving the order ID at the giving the order ID at the time of the buying the course. We will provide a ID that will be used here. By clicking on the feedback, he can able to see the students feedback, and he can edit these feedbacks. Not edited, he can delete the feedbacks. By clicking on the change password, he can change password. This is our project. We use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front end, and PHP for back end. And for database, we used MySQL. We used XMPP localhost server to run this project. This is the database of admin and student course lesson. Everything will be here only. If we change anything here, it will affect in this site also. This is our project. Thank you.